Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it is the third installment of the September BOXYCHARM boxes. Today, jumping into the premium box for September. So at this point, I have already uploaded my base and luxe unboxings, which I will link up above or in the description box, or probably both. But today we're going to be jumping into the premium box. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload 3 times a week and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway in today's video because I haven't done one in a BOXYCHARM video in a minute. So if you want to win a full premium box, because I do have an extra, all you have to do is like this video, comment down below with what product you are most excited to get your hands on, and subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and you'll be entered to win a full premium box. Now, I am going to be honest, it is a different variation than the one I'm unboxing today, so the only way to know what's inside is to enter the giveaway. So enter the giveaway, subscribe, and let's jump right into the video. Alright, so jumping into the box, first item out as always is the theme card, which is BOXY Glam Vibes only, just like the rest of the boxes. This is variation number 5, and it is a $225 retail value. First item out of the box is going to be the only one I'm not using today. This is from Emma Hardy. It is the Brilliance Facial Oil. Hydrating and lightweight, the Brilliance Facial Oil from Emma Hardy massages deeply into the skin so you can achieve a natural-looking glow. Multi-active formula is crafted with potent essential oils that soothe and purify skin, while camelina oil offers antioxidant protection from free radical damage, retails for $55. Unfortunately, one of the main ingredients is apricot oil, which Brandon is deathly allergic to, so I cannot use this for risk of killing my husband. So I'm going to drop this in an upcoming giveaway, and the other 5 items I will be using on camera, kind of. I'm going to jump into the next item. Next out of the box is from Ulla Henriksen, and this is the Fat Glow Facial. Get flawless skin in a flash with PHAs, the no downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredient in Ulla's first one-step at-home facial. What makes PHAs so special? They are fat, literally, like AHAs. PHA delivers skin-perfecting, age-fighting results, but PHAs are just a little plumper. They are bigger molecules, so they don't go as deep to loosen up the glue that binds the skin's layer of surface together and reveal the newer, fresher skin underneath. This means less irritation and recovery time for everyone, even sensitive skin. Retails for $50. Now, I am going to use this today, and I did already wash and cleanse my face. For the directions, apply a thin, even layer to clean, dry skin. Massage until it transforms from pink to white. Leave on for 15 minutes and remove with a damp washcloth. Use 2 times per week, day or night. Can be used before makeup application, external use only. So I am going to put that on right now. I have used this before, and I do know I already like this product, but I'm going to pump out a little bit, and it is this really mauvey pink color, and it says massage it into the skin until it transforms from pink to white. Now, I did shave my face today because I needed to, so I'm going to avoid this area because a razor blade, like what I use to shave, will exfoliate, and I don't want to overdo it. But normally, I don't exfoliate on the days where I shave. So I'm going to allow that to sit on for the next 15 minutes. And I will be back to wash it off on camera with you guys, and we'll see how we like it. Alright, so we are back, and it's been 15 minutes. I feel like I took too much, because it definitely, the last time I used it, dried down to basically, like, completely unseeable, but we're going to rinse it off anyway. I will be using a Clean Skin Club towelette that came in my Luxe box, which are these, like, disposable, like, face towels. They're not soaked with anything, they are dry, and I just have a little bowl of water here that I'm going to wet the towel, and I'm going to use this to remove, because it does say remove with a damp washcloth. Alright, my skin is quite sensitive, so anytime I use a product like this, it always does get a little red and a little inflamed, which is perfect, because the next item out of the box is from Kitsch. It is the Ice Roller. This ice roller is your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. Helps to calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended for daily use for best results. Retails for $18. Now, I'm not going to be... Oh, that's upside down. I'm not going to be using this one because I do already have one that I have had in the freezer for quite some time, and I've only used it twice. But following the directions, I did pull it out of the freezer about 10 minutes ago because you're not supposed to use it fresh out of the freezer, and I am going to roll. Now, I do recommend sanitizing it between uses, and what I do is I keep it in a Ziploc bag. Once it's sanitized, it gets put right back into the bag and right back into the freezer. I really do like it because, as you can see, like, the redness is basically all gone. Also, after I use it, my skin just feels so tight and any puffiness is gone. So this is a product I definitely do enjoy. Again, I've been using it for a couple weeks now. And the next 3 items are all makeup, and they require a little bit more already on my face. So I'm going to go pop on my base and get myself ready to the point where I can show you guys the next item in the box. All right, I am back, and the face is half done. I'm going to wait to do like bronzer, blush, and highlight and whatnot until after the eyes are done so I know how intense we're looking. But the next item out of the box comes from Eloise Cosmetics. I'm sorry, Eloise Beauty, and this is the Queen eyeshadow palette, which you see the crown in the back. I mean, I got a crown tattoo, I've got a queen tattoo. Clearly, queen is like my vibe, crowns are my vibe, so I'm already in love with this palette. But the Queen palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story, each color holds infinite power, and carries a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tone, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey of time from present to past, past to present. Words are hard today. An era of femininity, grace, and power. A Queen Lies in All of Us retails for $46. This palette is absolutely stunning, and I cannot wait to get it onto my eyes. So I'm going to grab some brushes, and let's go to town. Starting with the shade Shiva. So the payoff is nice. You guys know I like to basically like barely tap in and take a tiny bit of pigment at a time, but this is showing up really nicely, especially for a color I barely tapped into. But it is very rich in pigment, so I can tell you right now this is going to work on a lot of different skin tones. On me, it's more of a transition. If you're fairer than me, it'll be some really nice definition. And if you're much deeper than me, this will actually be a really nice tone to pop on the lid for brightness, because there are some nice deep tones in here too. Now, because both of the last 2 looks I did were very pinky, mauvey, and purple, I'm going to go into like the blues today. So jumping into a flat definer brush, I am going to take the shade Majesty, and I'm going to use the purple to give myself some definition, and then we'll blend some blues on top. Now, just to tone down the purple a little, I'm going to jump into Kingdom, and I'm just going to blend out the crease. Now I'm going to take the shade Throne, and I'm going to load that onto a packer brush, spray it with a little bit of setting spray, and pack that on the lid. And then with the crease brush, just blending the edges. And I barely see any fallout on the under eye. I'm going to take a tiny bit more of that deep purple and just pat that over the edge. Cute. All right, I'm going to go do the same thing on this eye. Pop a little black, maybe blue. I'm going to put a little bit of liner in the waterline, and I'll be right back to tie it all up. All right, so I did throw a little black liner in the waterline. What I'm going to do now is, on camera, actually in person as well, this looks very blue, but on the eyes it is very purple. So I think I'm just going to go into the purpley vibe and make that a thing. So first thing I'm going to do is grabbing a buffer brush. This actually came out of my base box this month. I'm going to grab this purple shade right here, and I'm going to add a little smokiness to the lower lash line. Then back into the blending brush with a tiny bit of those two shades that we used above. I'm just going to blend that out. Next, I'm going to throw the shade Powerful on the inner corner. And I'm actually going to take a little bit of that shade and pull that onto the inner portion of the lid just to brighten it a little bit more. I know this is looking a little intense, but until I have contour, bronzer, blush, and lashes, this is going to look a little crazy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into the next item in the box. This is from Marc Jacobs Beauty. It is the Highliner Liquid Gel Eyeliner in the shade Blacker. Waterproof liquid gel eyeliner is extreme long wear in Marc's signature black shade, featuring gel technology for smudge-resistant, flake-resistant, waterproof wear. This Inkwell liner has some amazing glide and color payoff as the best-selling original Highliner eye crayon, which actually that gel crayon is what I have in my waterline. So I'm going to go in with the liquid liner, and I am going to put a very thin eyeliner line on the... So in my base unboxing, I did get and use the Huda liquid liner, and I am going to say I like the Marc Jacobs one more. The brush is a little bit longer and a little more flexible, so it is a little bit neater. And I do think that it glides a lot better. Not that I didn't like the Huda one, I just definitely didn't love it. I do like this one more. And now that the eyes have some definition and it's looking a little more grounded, I'm going to go throw on mascara, lashes, bronzer, blush, and highlight, and I'll be back to go into the last item in the box. Alright, so the rest of the face is tied up, and onto the last item in the box, also from Marc Jacobs. This is the Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer. The Marc Jacobs Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer is formulated with a breakthrough triple shine complex and a high-performance polymer that transforms color pigments into a hydrating gloss. Enriched with an antioxidant-rich superfood and cell-repairing phytonutrients, plus vitamin A and C, unprecedented shine, and unstoppable wear, retails for $29. This is in the shade Rara. I did throw a quick liner on my lips, but that's it. That's a card, not a mirror. Now, this is not a first impression because not only have I used this formula before, but I have this exact color. And I like the way that it looks. It has a nice orangey, corally undertone, so it's not quite as like nudie pink as most of the other glosses I typically wear, which I think is offering a really nice contrast to the really rich purple on the eyes. All in all, I think I love the way this looks. Let's take a look at the box as a whole and see how we feel. First, the Eloise palette is beautiful. I do wish that that purple came off a little bit more blue like it did in the pan, but knowing the color it is now and looking at it, I think it's stunning. You know, a purple smoky eye is like my go-to, so I love the way this turned out. I just wish that I had gone in for like the gold or something, because this is now 3 boxes in a row, all with these purpley eyes, but honestly I don't mind because I love me a purple eye. The Fat Facial from Ole Henriksen, again, not the first time I've used it, so I'm already a fan of it. Definitely works for all skin types like it says. It is a great gentle exfoliant, especially for people first getting into exfoliation. Like it says though, do not use it more than twice a week because again, your skin will need time to heal itself. The ice roller, obviously I have a separate one, but ice rolling in general, my skin doesn't feel puffy, it doesn't feel irritated. It actually really does help. The lip gloss and the liner are both wins for me. I think the liner really helped to shape the eyes. And again, like I said, I did use the crayon gel version for my waterline, which I do love. That did not come in a box, but I've loved Marc Jacobs liners for so long that the liquid is quite... It lives up to the hype of the rest of the line. Obviously, I can't give you a review on this because I didn't and will not be using it. But all in all, this was definitely a win of a box. And because it's the premium box, which is a $35 box, and the fact that it was over $225 worth of product, definitely a win. Like, this alone is $50. This alone was, what, $46? So either one of these pays for the box and then some. So definitely a win. Definitely a great box for me, and a great way for me to close out my unboxings for the month. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Here's your reminder to enter the giveaway, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!